I'm trying to take a picture of him walking.
Nate Russell.
Yeah.
That's Reiter?
Yes. Hold this, I got a stream. Hold it up there like this. Don't move it. Get Reiter.
Why can't you hold it?
Because I have to clap and yell. Because why can't you hold the camera? I said, because I have to clap and yell.
Bert, why didn't you tell me he could kick my ass up?
He got a little bit bigger.
Yeah, he did. I remember him when he was about this tall. That's probably the last time I saw him.
Yeah. At least 50.
No, I guess
130 now. About 148.
you hold it.
He weighed in at 135.
Why can't you?
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is scheduled for 3 3-minute rounds in the flyweight division.
The cameraman.
Introducing first, fighter in the red corner.
Nice.
He is a wrestler. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing in at 125 pounds. Representing Liqueur, Jiu-Jitsu, and fighting out of Plano, Illinois, Reiter! He is a wrestler. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 125 pounds. He is an independent, fighting out of Marseilles, Illinois, Nate Firecracker Russell.
Finally, I've been waiting almost.
Let's go, Reiter! Come on, Reiter.
There you go. Yeah!
Come on, Reiter.
Don't do it again!
What's an elbow?
Oh! I suppose. Go, Reiter!
Come on, Reiter!
Yeah!
There you go!
Nice job, Reiter! Go!
Good job, babe! Stay on it, Reiter! Keep it up!
Yeah! Hey. I can't feel my arm now.
Oh, yeah! No, leave it on! You're good!
I wish he could have got a little more momentum on those swings to the head. I wish.
What are you talking about? He did perfect.
No, he was great.
He did
Called
perfect.
stop to this fight at 53 seconds of round number 1. Declare your winner by TKO, Reiter!
Sorry, I went back again.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's please welcome our next fighter.